Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about general science multiple choice questions which are based on this SSC as well as all competitive examinations. I had already discussed up to 9 parts. Please have a look in the playlist. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of, that is, iron. As you can see, iron deficiency is a condition when your blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. Automatically what happens, oxygen gets decreased, then anemia will be resulted. That is due to the deficiency of the iron. Now we have the largest gland in our human body is, as you can see, that is liver is the largest gland. If they are asked largest endocrine gland, that is thyroid, largest organ is, that is skin. So here the largest gland in our human body is what? Liver. Thyroid is a largest endocrine gland. Thymus we will find in the small babies. Once they are big, it automatically get vanishes. Skin is the largest organ. Pituitary the master of all glands. Liver has 2 lobes, and this liver cell is, what is the name of that cell? Hepatic cell is the liver cell. The 2 lobes of the liver are known as hepatic lobules. Please remember, hepatic lobules are located in which place? That is in the lobes of liver. That is in the liver. The main intention is that it secretes. What exactly it secretes? Liver is, insulin is secreted by liver itself. A person has taken a large amount of meat which contains high protein. His urine will contain more urea. This is one thing you have to remember. A person has taken a large amount of meat which contains high protein. His urine will contain more urea in his urine. So whoever intake the maximum meat, he will have the more urea in their urine. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. Near about 800 plus question papers have been given. As you can see how it is segregated for various examinations. Various question papers have been given. Now we have the weight of a body is maximum at the poles. The weight of the body is maximum. As you can see, at the equator it is minimum. By going to the poles, it is maximum gravitational force exists at poles. At the center of the earth, the gravitation is 0. So the weight will be automatically 0. So this is one thing you have to remember, that center of the earth means you have to drill the earth. What is the unit of the work? That is joule. What is for the power? Nautical mile, that is for the distance, that is sea distance measured in nautical miles. Octa, that is clouds measurement. The clouds are measured in 6 octa, 7 octa, like that. So you can see how exactly work power energy and how exactly it works. You can have a good look over the slide. Pause it, you can go through this. Now we have the gas is more likely to escape from the atmosphere at higher altitude, that is hydrogen. So as you can see, neutral atmosphere has got the temperature and density structure. Hydrogen escape will be the thermospheric variations and satellite drag, mean wind structure, standard atmosphere. These are all there. So you can directly go through whatever picture has been given. The gas is more likely to escape from the atmosphere at higher altitude, that is hydrogen. That is the reason we will find maximum hydrogen in the Jupiter, as well as even the helium we will find in the outer layer of the sun. Oxygen we have, that is 21% of oxygen, and rest all nitrogen and other gases. Argon is which is used in the electric bulbs. As you can see how exactly that is used as a combustible one. Next we have the pitch of the sound is related to what? That is related to the frequency. You can see how exactly it has been given. The pitch of the sound is related to frequency. So loudness, you can see decibels, they are measured in the decibels. So here we have amplitude as well as impulse, that is different case. So this is one thing, pitch of the sound is related to frequency. Now we have the light travels at minimum speed in which of the following? That is in flint glass, the speeds of the light is at the minimum. The maximum in a vacuum you will find this maximum. That is one thing you have to remember. Which of the following is called king of chemicals? I knew that. It's already discussed in various parts. The king of acids or king of chemicals is, that is sulfuric acid. So please remember, diamond is the strongest element on the earth, which is a allotrope of carbon. Oxygen is what is essential for the intake. Hydrochloric acid is one thing you have to remember, the potential of hydrogen, that is pH value of HCl is 0. Now we have the material is used in the photography. I told you silver bromide is used in the photography, that is AgBr. mercury chloride is different, potassium bromide is different, silver bromide is the only one which is used in the photography. So this is one thing. You can call me on 766730 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. I hope these all parts will help you a lot.